Hello everyone, welcome to Ask Me classes. So today we will be discussing about some MCQs related to irrigation engineering. So this is a series of lectures that we are continuing starting from highway engineering. So today we have got 50 MCQs, very important MCQs related to your irrigation engineering. So let's begin with our first question. So the first question is, crop ratio is the ratio of area irrigated in Kharif season to Rabi season. Second, the function of a scouring sluice is to control the silt entry into the canal, correct? To scour the silt deposited in the river bed above the approach channel, correct? To pass the low floods without dropping the shutters of the main wire, correct? So the correct option will be all of the above. A structure constructed in an irrigation canal for the purpose of wasting some of its water is known as escape. Kennedy gave a relationship between critical velocity and depth of flowing water. A river meandering through an alluvial plain has a series of consecutive curves of order connected with short straight sketches is called crossing. A land is said to be waterlogged when the air circulation is stopped in the root zone due to the rise in water table. The narrow strip of land left at the ground level between the inner toe of the bank and top edge cutting is known as berm. When the water is thrown into a well over a crest from where it escapes near its bottom, the cylinder fall. The amount of precipitation is measured by rain gauge. For low navigation, the type gate used is bear trap gate. The sodium carbonate lining consists of at least 6% sodium carbonate and 10% clay. In order to estimate the high flood discharge in a fan-shaped catchment, the formula used is English formula. When river flows in a plain country, its stage is known as trough. The loss of head per unit length of creep is called percolation coefficient. A canal aligned near parallel to the contours of a country is known as contour canal. Rivers on alluvial plains may be of meandering type, aggrading type or degrading type, all of these. Lining of a canal assures economical water distribution, correct. Reduces possibility of breaching, correct. Increases available head for power generation, correct. So the correct option is all of the above. The alignment of a canal should be such so as to ensure minimum number of cross drainage works, correct. On a watershed is the most economical, correct. Should avoid valuable properties, correct. So the correct option is all of the above. A canal headwork in rocky stage of a river is not suitable because more cross drainage works are required, correct. A costly head regulator is required, correct. More falls are necessary to dissipate the energy. So the correct option is all of the above. The sensitivity of a rigid module is equal to 0. Height of dowel above the road level should not be more than 30 cm. When the difference in weir crest and downstream river bed is limited into 3 meters, generally used is concrete slope weir. Which of the following statement is wrong? In Kennedy's silt theory, no account was taken of silt concentration and bed load, correct. In Kennedy did not give any slope equation, correct. In Kennedy's theory, silt grade and silt charge were not defined, correct. So the option will be none of the above. A canal outlet should be so designed that the farmer cannot tamper with its functioning, correct. Be simple so that it can be constructed or fabricated by local masons, correct. Draw its fair share of silt carried the distributing channel, correct. The correct answer is all of the above. In a barrage, crest level is kept low with large gates. The method used for training of rivers is guide bank, dike or leaf, gryon. Correct answer is all of these. Gibbs module is a type of rigid modular outlet. A solid construction put across the river to raise its water level and divert the water into a canal is known as weir. The whole period of cultivation from the time when irrigation water is first applied for preparation of the ground to its last watering before harvesting is called as base period. For irrigation purpose, the pH value of water should be between 6 to 8.5. The Earth's water circulatory system is known as hydrologic cycle. Which of the following statement is correct? The gravity water is harmful to the crops? No. The hydroxide water remains attached to the soil molecules by chemical bonds? No. The capillary water is utilized by the plants. The area in which crop is grown at a particular time or crop season is known as culturable command area. The ratio of the head recovered to the head put in an outlet is called efficiency. Check flooding method of irrigation is used for crops which can withstand inundation of water for some time. The duty is largest on the field. Cyclone precipitation results from lifting of air masses converging into low pressure area. The commonly used rain gauge is float type. The water content at which plants can no longer extract sufficient water from the soil for its growth is called as permanent wilting point. The maximum depth in soil strata in which the crop spreads its root system and derives water on the soil is called root zone depth. A canal aligned approximately parallel to the natural drainage of a country is called side slope canal. The bourne, when fully formed, reduce the absorption losses and prevents leaks, correct? Protect the bank from erosion because of wave action, correct? Provide a scope for future widening the channel, correct? All of the above. The method of irrigation used for orchids is basin flooding. When discharge of an outlet is independent of the water levels in the water course, a distributary, the outlet is termed as rigid module. The precipitation caused by natural rising of warmer, lighter air in colder and denser surrounding is called convective precipitation. The moisture content of the soil after free drainage has removed most of the gravity water known as field capacity. The duty of irrigation water will be less if water supply required is more. A graph showing variations of discharge with time at a particular point of stream is known as hydrograph. The science which deals with physical features and conditions of water on the earth is called hydrography. A sudden fall of level of ground along the alignment of canal joined by an inclined bed is called a rapid fall. So thank you so much for being with us in this irrigation engineering MCQs. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Ask Me Classes. We'll be coming up again with 2 more videos of irrigation engineering, highway engineering, many more videos of different civil engineering subjects. So this MCQ series will continue in our channel. Stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to Ask Me Classes. Thank you.